y'all, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I just got my car washed, and right now we are in Walgreens so that I can try to find like a gingerbread house or gingerbread man for us to make today. And then later I'm gonna be cooking. So this pretty much was on the agenda today. We're not doing not too much today. And I just walked in the store and I already picking up stuff. Not even what I came here for, but it's on sale. So it's on sale. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Oh my God. What's up?
Hey.
You remember me? Shakia. Yeah, my best friend gave me right. This is the lash glue that she uses. I had got put on to using that black stuff, the hair track glue. Baby. That stuff is too thick and I hate when it dry up, and you know you gotta get it off with Vaseline or Aquaphor or something like that. But I like this better. It's much lighter than that track glue, and it still stay on for a few days. If you can keep your lashes on for a few days, I can. But yeah, I'm looking at these press-ons. I might end up getting some of these too. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so we just got back from Walgreens, and where's we have to go from getting my car washed as well. I ain't even looking in the camera, but I got these from Walgreens so that I could put these on. And I got this as well to put my lashes on instead of that black thick glue. Yeah, I'm switching over. That is much lighter than the black hair glue or whatever. I also got this NYX butter gloss and Meadowline. I love it. I love it. I need to put some on to show y'all. And I also got the NYX butter gloss spiked toffee. It looks like this. But I'm finna show y'all how this Meadowline look like. I love it. Okay, so this is the NYX Butter Gloss and Meadowline. This how it look. It's like a nude gloss. Like, I love it. Yeah. Okay, so y'all, now I am about to start cooking. So I already got everything out that I'm gonna need, hopefully. So let me show y'all what I'm gonna be cooking today. Okay, so hopefully I'm saying it right. So today I'm gonna be making the salmon croquette patties. And I'm gonna be using royal pink. Get my sweet peppers. I'm gonna cut some of those up real small. And I'm gonna cut some onion up real small or whatever, because I don't wanna have big chunks in the patties. Some of the seasons I'm gonna be using: the roasted garlic and herb, garlic powder, complete seasoning, onion powder, and some Himalayan salt. I got the all-purpose flour and also the cornmeal mix. And I got some eggs. Okay, so along with this, I'm gonna be making some homemade mashed potatoes, and some vegetables.